Hunton Kurth, my honest review and user experience. If you're seeking insights into one of the world's top law firms, Hunton Kurth promises global expertise, high-profile clients and comprehensive legal services. I explored their website and client resources to assess the experience. Most people get this wrong. They assume large law firms are difficult to navigate. The surprising truth is that Hunton Kurth emphasizes accessibility and client-focused solutions. The website is organized by practice areas like corporate law, litigation and energy, making it easy to find relevant information. Engaging with the firm digitally is smooth. Contact forms and attorney directories are clear, and they provide detailed insights into case studies, legal updates and industry news. The user experience reflects professionalism, with modern design and well-structured content. One downside is that for prospective clients, pricing information isn't publicly available, which is standard for large law firms but can be frustrating for initial research. Despite this, the firm's reputation and transparency in services outweigh this limitation. In conclusion, Hunton Kurth combines global legal expertise with a professional and navigable client experience. For businesses or individuals seeking comprehensive legal services with a client-first approach, this firm stands out as a reliable choice.